Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this iPhone right here. So this is the iPhone 13 mini. Now keep in mind, no matter what color of iPhone you're thinking to get, it's going to be the exact same thing inside the box. And it's going to be the exact same thing inside the box even if you're getting more storage or less storage. Maybe you're going with the basic model, or maybe you're upgrading so you have more storage. You're still going to get the exact same stuff inside the box though. On the side back here, I just have to pull those tabs. There's one there, one the other side. There we go. And now this comes out just like so. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit more so we can see. And I'm just gonna put the iPhone on the side for now so you guys can see what's inside the box. 'Cause after all, this is an unboxing video. The review, setup video, and manual, those are different videos. And those are the ones where you get to see this iPhone in action. Anyways, inside here we have this. This is very important. This we will need to take out the SIM card. This is just a sticker, and then just random stuff in there, and then just safety stuff here. Just gonna put that back and put it on the side. Other than that, we just have a cable, and that's it. Before we used to get a brick so we could actually plug this into somewhere in order to charge the phone, and we would used to get actually headphones as well. Now we don't get any of that. All we get is a cable. So the cable that we get is a basic one, so this is USB-C. Now Apple started doing this, I think starting with iPhone 11 or the iPhone 10. I forgot with which one they started doing this, but they started sending out everything without the brick. The first thing that they did delete was the headphones at first. But anyways, this is the cable. It's a pretty short cable. So at this point in time, you're looking at everything that you would get inside the box with any iPhone 13 mini. Now the iPhone on here, the screen, this is just a quick screen protector. I usually take this off at the end so I can just put the screen protector on right away. I don't like to get even tiny scratches on it, so I'm very careful with that. Now on the side of your iPhone, you might notice this is for your SIM card. There's no SD card or micro SD card inserts. This is just for your SIM card. So that's for your phone to work as a phone. Here we got volume keys. This will be to make your iPhone vibrate or not. And then on the other side, we've got our power button, which is also our Siri button. Then on the top, we've got nothing. On the bottom, that's where we hook it up to charge it up. And then the back, we're just gonna see the two cameras, which you might notice that the iPhone 13, the normal size one, that one also just has the two cameras on the back. Now the mini, I have to say, although it's called the mini, it's still pretty big. Let me just get this out of the way. So there you go. It's still a pretty big phone. They just called it mini because it is slightly smaller than the others. Now here's an iPhone 13. This is the normal one. And you guys can see the size difference between the mini and the regular one. Buttons and everything else is the exact same thing. Even the way you charge it, all that stuff is the same. It's just the size. So you guys can notice the difference when you're going for a mini. Other than that, once again, this is the iPhone 13 mini, and this is just an unboxing so you guys get to see exactly that, what comes inside the box. I do have a manual and a setup video so you guys can look at this guy in action. So again, it's a pretty simple iPhone. I do like the weight. I gotta say, with the weight, when you touch it, you don't notice this smudges that easy. However, with all the other colors, you notice right away. Even with the sides, when I touch it, yeah, I don't see any smudges right away. So that's awesome. So I'm liking this color for that reason. Other than that, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.